Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, where your dream home awaits at Vista Cana. Explore Vibes Waterfall, a serene complex in Vista Cana offering a splendid two-bedroom condo for sale in Bavaro starting from $229,000. With 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1291 square feet, Indulge in Caribbean charms just 10 minutes away from pristine beaches. Enjoy on-site golf, running and cycling trails, green areas, and a fishing lake. Access educational excellence with a nearby lingual school. Experience an artificial inland beach, professional property management, and exclusive beach club privileges. Vista Cana is a pet-friendly haven with a dedicated pet park, and culinary delights await with numerous restaurants and hotels. Dive into water sports, enjoy retail therapy at a nearby shopping mall, and find serenity in outdoor yoga spaces. Unwind in an infinity pool, stay fit at the on-site gym, and delight in outdoor cooking with a barbecue area. Contact us today and let's turn this dream Bavaro condo for sale into your perfect haven. And with our convenient payment plan for Vibes Waterfall, reserve with $3,000, 10% after signing the contract, 30% during construction, and the final 60% upon delivery. Make your move and secure your Vista Cana oasis today.